Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that work in 2019 and 20. So today we will cover lecture number 14, how to get high CPC clicks on your Android application with Click Exchange method. So I will show you what technique I have already using from last 6 months, and this is very powerful technique. You know C4C or Click Exchange, C4C, AdMob. Search here. This is the first group, AdMob, C4C, Click. This is the first Facebook group. And here also you can check all of these group of AdMob, C4C. Why you need to change Click with someone? Why you cannot, you can buy from Pico Worker or Rapid Worker, but that these all worker cannot give you more CPC, more than $1 CPC they cannot give you. Why? Because they don't know which ad giving you high CPC, which ad not give you high CPC. Because they are normal user, normal people work from the world in Pico Worker or Rapid Worker, but the Facebook people, these are all professional workers. Here you can check this group from maybe this one from Bangladesh, and you can check this group. This group have many people. I think this is page. I need group. C4C, AdMob, Facebook groups, GROUPS groups. This is the AdMob self-clicking earning public group, and AdSense and AdMob C4C exchange group. You can join also here. This is 5-star rating group. This is you can join this group. This group you can check here. These all people are doing Click Exchange. You can chat with these people and you send your application to him. They will install your application and they browse and use your application in 10 minutes or 13 minutes. And after that, they will click on your ad in your application and they will give you high CPC on your AdMob account, because these all people are professionals. They all know which ad give you more high CPC, which ad not give you high CPC. You can check all the payment 21 October 2019. They are showing $800, and this is very interesting group. You can join this group and you can exchange group, and they are guarantee. You can read here. Don't worry, bros. I will give you high CPC guaranteed tricks, something they write. So you need to join this group and send your application to these people, and they send his application to you. You need to work like professional. You need to use his application in your mobile, and you need to find some high CPC ad. Which is a high CPC ad? High CPC ad is, for example, education, college, insurance, finance. These all ads for high CPC paying. So you need to find high CPC ad. If you found any ad of high CPC, you need to click on his AdMob ads. Once you click, they will get $1 to $2 CPC, and they are doing same for you. They are doing same for you. I have worked many time on this group. Many time I have worked, and I have already joined many groups for C4C, AdMob, Click Exchange. These are very simple work. Some people I know, some people click on my ad in my application and they give me $5 to $10 CPC only on AdMob. You can think about it. Only one click they give me $5 to $10 CPC. So if you exchange Click with someone, you can earn more on Google AdMob account. These all groups I have worked last 6 months, and all these clicks are accept in my AdMob account. I will show you my earning proof. You can check what I was working last 6 months and what I earned from AdMob and AdSense account. So this is the group trick. You can exchange click, and you need to click from your real IP. No need to use VPN, proxy. No need to use VPN or proxy. Only you need to click for someone from your real IP, real mobile, and someone click for you with his real IP. Only you and they need to find high CPC ads only. If once you found high CPC ad, you need to click on it. You will earn, also they will earn with you. So what is the strategy? How you can get click from this group, and how to set strategy of working. So you need to join 10 group of AdMob self-clicking, AdSense self-clicking, like these 10 group you need to join. Okay. First day you need to chat with this group. For example, this group you will get 20 click from this group, and you give 20 click to another people. This is today. You will earn maybe $40 to $50 from only this group, and they will earn maybe like you. After that, second day, you no need to exchange with same people. You need to go to second group and chat with another people and get 20 or 50 click from here, second group, second day, second group, and exchange with click on second day, second groups. Third day, you need to change group and you get click from here, and you need to click to his application. 3 day, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 day strategy. You need to join 10 group. If you join 10 group, all people are different. So you can get daily new click, daily new high CPC click, and daily real IP address clicks. After 10 days, you need to come your first group here. Which people you have already exchanged before 10-day click exchange, contact with him and tell him, I am ready to click your app, and you click to my app. After 10 days, same people click on your ad, and you need to click for his ad on AdMob. 11th day, you need to come to first group. 12th day, you need to come second group. This is your strategy. If you are working 10 days in 10 group, in 1 month, 30 days, you will work same 10 group 3 times. And you will get new click always and daily. After 30 days, when second of the month coming in Google AdMob, your all earning has been passed by Google. Any single click or any invalid activity not cut from your AdMob account. But what I say you before, you need to some real traffic in your application. You need to some real page view impression and click on your AdMob account, on your applications. If you don't have organic traffic or organic click on your application, do not do exchange work, because this work will be maybe accept Google, but you will face ad limit problem. I hope this strategy you will understand and you can work like this. This is my strategy and I have worked like this. I have joined already 25 group for AdMob Click Exchange, and also I am doing some campaign on Pico Worker and some campaign on Rapid Worker. I am getting views and impression from Rapid and Pico Worker, and I am getting click from Click Exchange groups, because the city are going to manage, and I will earn high CPC from these group, because Pico and Rapid workers are not provide me high CPC, $1, $2, $5 CPC. They cannot provide because they are not professional. They are normal worker. They can click on your ad. They don't know which ad give you high CPC or something like this. So I hope you will understand, you will enjoy with this method. Thank you very much.